fully active, One True World TV. Welcome back to this movie. Be careful how you treat people. And first, I want to big up some fans. Ryan and Sheikah from Spanish Town. Kemar, big up yourself, straight over Spanish Town, CMA. And one more thing, big up all our fans, them, local and international. One True World TV, one coloring book. But anyhow, people want to watch a movie and tell you what go on in a movie. What you like and what you don't like. Remember, True World TV for the people and only for the people. One coloring book, and me big up True World TV. And watch now, big up all our fans, them, local and international. Big up Puppy Dan and big up all our people, them, do it. Room.
Jamaican looks so stressed out.
Good man. Phone a ring.
Am my phone at a ring?
Yeah, your phone a ring.
Answer it for me now, please.
I really like answer on my phone, yeah. Hello?
Babes.
Babes.
Oh.
Babes. Your babes up on your phone.
Yeah, me babes up on it.
That the person say.
Hey. Me call you back, hold on. Anyway. What make you look so stressed in that place?
Why you skip the argument?
No.
Your phone just ring.
Yeah, I'm tell you if you answer it.
And your second can babes.
No babes, but me will call back a person when I'm a friend.
One of your friend.
Mm-hmm.
Well, I same thing. You call back your friend. I guess me and your friend same way.
Okay, well.
I go out the road just so you know. So I clear my head right now. Bed not too function. I know no headache. Maybe I just stress for you people. I not appreciate good somebody in their life.
Headache. That you say, one man call and you answer my phone. You not even ask him say which man that or stop to find out who I call my phone. You know so that man I like with you? Every time something happen, you want to go a road boy, you clear head. Every time you clear head, so make you can't clear head, yes, so. What, you not even act like you're jealous or you love me or you care about nothing. Now one man call me phone and I tell you, say, answer my phone. I don't know who I call, but you answer, now one man. And you not even say, because I owe that. You not even stop to ask me, say, I owe that, I want to go on, yes, so. You know what I'm to you? You're too soft. Man, I call me phone and then something there, you not even act like you love me or respect me or no kind of way. You're the place that I want. You're too soft, man, I say, me I feel. Sure. Guess what you make me do? I don't like how you behave. If you rough me up sometime when the man then call me phone and ask me who that. Try if you find out when me say you love me, you're concerned. No little argument you don't want to have with me when nothing. You're gone on the road but you're clear head.
So you want to say something now? Listen to me answer now. If each time, before me answer you, me just ask me, I want good man?
Yeah, one good man.
Yeah, but to you, me soft, you me now box you down and me now kick you down. And when somebody call the phone or you do something, me now squeeze your throat. So true that me weak.
Me never say you're weak.
Okay.
You say
but
you're
each
soft.
time somebody call the phone or you hurt me or you cheat on me, if me have to go box you down and kick you down and squeeze your throat, that now gonna make me be a bigger man or a badder man or a weaker man or a stronger man. Some man weak. And some man strong. Some man I go box you down and some now go kick you down. Me I one of them man when I go kick you down. I'm not that person. Good man come in a weakness. Good man come in a man who box you down. Good man come in a bad man. Some man silent and me one of them man who is silent. So if you look a bad man, I guess if you call back your babes. Cause me not one of them man there. As me say, me head hurt me just want to calm my head. But only one thing me can tell you. One day the bucket a go well. They go pop out. What goes around, come back around. Today for me, tomorrow for you.
Whatever. Nonsense. Me there me other man call me phone and show me attention and affection and you take up phone and answer phone and he gonna ask her which man that. Or maybe feel like you care about me, you love me. And you not show me that. You just go on with yourself every minute, but when a man call me phone and you not even say to me, say, yo babes, who that? And make me feel like say, alright, me man a man up here now. You too soft man. You don't want no weak jelly back man. I want a man who act like a man. Show me say you're a man. When a man call me phone, rough me up. Jog me, punch me, fist me something. Grab me and quiz me throat. Make me know say yo, but a man just call a while ago babes, who him? Or him a call for your phone, so take up my phone and call back them people that you man. Cause me can't bother with this man. You're too soft man. Yo B, where you call me phone this morning for hombre? Me not tell you if you not call me phone, me will call you. When me there me yard with me man, me no want nobody to call me, brother. Me did tell her that already. No call back my phone, man.
Father God, why? Why? Some woman don't know when them have a good man. Not because me nah box down and kick down a woman, that no means I'm soft or I'm weak. And many times this a woman hurt me and cheat on me and just show me love him, me just go and hold out. Me I wonder if me a fool. That's why I see why some man say they nah put them trust in a woman. But you can't control love.
Why am I doing yesterday my time?
Father God just show me a sign. Me can't manage no more. Me can't bear no more. Me have to come here so I chill by myself and I hold out.
Bro.
I pray, dog.
I pray.
There, man.
Why are there, sir, bro? You don't even look like you're happy, bro. You look emotional.
Dog, me just bug out, dog. Me just stress out, like, from last few months in my relationship, come like a headache, bro. Me I go through a lot, bro. And now me see why when people say when you fall in love and love a person more than how a person supposed to love you, come like a you I bear the whole of the penalty.
Bro, understand your pain, you know. I mean, understand, because if your relationship with your woman, you don't love her, you know. You're in love with her. You see me? And that day that show me one little sight. I don't know if I hit a problem or something different, bro, but how I really going?
Boy, Jay, me don't even know where to start. Me a one good man to my woman, you know, bro.
I know.
But my woman feel like me too soft. Chew me nah box him in her face. Me nah thump him, me nah squeeze him throat. Because everything she do is like me no make fight outside. Bro, me a no gleaner, you know. You get what me I say? Me a no star, me a observer, me observe a lot, bro. And she no know say silent we run deep.
You know, so between me and you though, other day I go over your yard and me a link for you. And mom that tell me say you know did it. And then same time mama say, Puppy Dan, can't beg you a minute out of your time. And me I say, yeah man, no problem, what go on? And she tell me say, see your friend soft. You must say sometimes me do some things and your friend fi just drape me up and box me down. And that she tell me say, nah do them the thing there. Must say sometimes you all talk some way, you fi just grab her throat and say, sit down there so. She say, nah do them the things there. And me I tell her, I say, watch you now mama. I know soft, you know. But I know every man grow with that the abusive in a them the woman. Not even abusive, and not every man deal with woman rough. You have some man just love her weird and even want rough you up. You know, so me I try to explain to her and she say, and that she love.
Me never cut out with box man in their face and beat woman. Some man do that and some man not do it. Me one of them man that will not do it. Not because my woman do something wrong with box him down and kick him down. That gonna make me a man?
Nah, gonna make you a man. And who do if you did if I did my daughter, more don't want to know say that you over me I do to my daughter or my sister or something. I go feel pleased about that. So if you know say yeah, hold your grown and be a man, you see me, and deal with her them the way they. And I bet if you did a deal with her them the way they should good like go call police pan or tell people say yo you over there abuse her and them the thing.
And I see him thing him come and talk and say me I box him down and kick him down. So you know you take it, woman cannot please.
Bro.
You're lucky if you find a woman you know the value of a man. Or you're lucky if you find a man you know the value of a woman. Bro, me I want good you to her.
I know.
But me no never chew me down box him down and kick him down inconsistent. I do him I do, bro. Bro, from last year she a go through this, you know. She hurt me once, she hurt me twice, she hurt me many times, and me a whole out. Me a whole out just to me love him.
Brother.
Me know a lot of people look for me like idiot, bro.
I'm not telling a lie, no.
But how long me I can bear it?
When I tell me look for you and say that I eat that, but me, you know how me kind of take you back. A whole heap of pressure you got through with her and the pressure bust pipe, you know.
Bro.
She cheat on you a lot, you know, and you whole out, you know, you. And me I tell her, say if I did me don't know still, you know, the love you have for her, you know. But me see it from outside, so you have one crazy love for her. But me don't know what you feel inside your heart for her. But me from outside, me say you have one crazy love, so that's why you're tough out to that, you feel like she can't change. But me not say if I'm me don't know still, because me say me don't know the love you have for her inside. But if I did me, maybe me would have stay like how you say, maybe me would have leave. But right now on the outside, bro, me not tell us if you left your relationship because people can't change. But me feel like say you have to live for yourself. In a them time you have to love yourself, bro. Put yourself over everything. You have to value yourself because that's what people are do. Them value themselves.
Puppy Dan, I cry a lot. Not because me a boy or I'm weak. But who feels it,
knows it.
Me go through a lot. Not because I want to go through it. But maybe because of me love her the most. And a whole heap of things she do and people talk and say me an idiot. But by an idea, me an idiot maybe. But you see people them want to talk. I true me no know for them business, them worse on me.
Sure.
That one thing me can tell you. You see one day you got the pipe. One day you use one bucket over and over got the pipe. One day it go bust out. Cause me learn so what goes around
come back around. Just go on all them in a firm and strong. If anything you go through in a life, Father, I make you who you are. And I hope one day you can overcome all of this and just walk out our life. So, and say me been through it, but me break through it. So just big up yourself and go on all them.
Only for respect.
They are for you as a brother.
And by any idea, I just walk out of the house because me over there, him phone ring. And when I answer the phone, somebody will say, yo, babes. And when you ring back the phone, somebody say a wrong number. But one thing I can tell you, Tom junk.
But Tom no fool.
So I just come hold a vibe here. So thank you for the reason still. As I say, one day bucket will go well. One day
it will go
bust out.
There man, I don't on the road, that's where I go. This side there I go to.
Yeah man.
Come on, man.
Man, I get hungry. What my woman cooking on? Cause I be a box and kicking on. Yo, mama, you not cook? Are you me a chat to go feed food or go cook your food if you not cook? What's up? You not cook?
Hey, listen to me now. Me tired of you, know. Me tired of you. Me tired of you and this. Hello, listen to what me I say. Listen to me and listen to me now. Me tired of you and this. Me know why you put your hand on me, you hear? You have no penny big so boy. You have no penny big so. Don't put your hand on me. Right. And if I'm matter of fact, let me tell you this. This done.
So, what me do?
Oh, so what me do? Oh, so what me do?
What me do?
You're too abusive. No. Me done. If I'm matter of fact, in case you never know, me have somebody who treat me better than you. And me and him are just friend. You hear? So me will kindly ask you to leave. Maybe you know me notice with her. Don't notice, bro. The only thing me try to do, bro, I try to be a good girlfriend to you, brother. The only thing, me wash, me cook, me clean, bro. What more you want out of me? If my phone ring, a problem. Me auntie call me, a problem. If me a go shop, a problem. You're too toxic, brother. And no relationship where you're going and nobody not gonna condole you and them slackness here, bro.
So what you expect? You don't expect me to go on a certain way over you?
Yeah.
You're not supposed to. Toxic relationship are your best relationship, you know.
You mad! You are so mad. You better check.
So if somebody not beat you, they don't love you. I'll go with that laundry.
Oh, go find somebody else and beat. Me don't want you beat me. Come. Go on.
Everything alright.
Tibi, go on.
Must do this.
What about
You know, say that same man have to kick and back, so don't like when a Jackie Chan movie, at least. Hey, yo, you're too soft. I'm more rough woman. I'm not a soft woman in my life.
Yes, Mr.
That's why man have to back, so don't more while in a youth.
Me soft. Go on and come
I'm
out.
gonna come left all the place too, you know.
You hear si soft there.
You want to go and chat?
Go on.
Yo, a true man now want kick off her face, you know, she a come give me bag, you know. And she know me with it too, you know. She know if you not play with me out.
Yo, TB.
So when I come, you know.
I pray. How you go, bro?
bro?
How you go back? Mama put you out?
You're mad, which girl can put me out? Yo, Lange, me a go, bro.
Fun and joke aside. You go a laundry.
Yeah, bro.
And your woman always wash your clothes and so you go a laundry, you know.
Bro, right now, me fed up her, bro. Me tired feeling wash my clothes, you know, bro. I want to go a laundry, you know, bro.
You know, tell no lie, me feel like I put she did put you out
You're
still.
mad.
Cause
I'm run my show.
No, me know say you run a show for you, you know, cause me know you always a beat her and something. And me not grow on you still, you know, but she not deserve it, bro. A good woman. She not deserve
So
it, bro.
you think me beat her? If you put fear in her, she can't play with me. Put her who? For you know me, no woman never put me out.
Well, you run the shift still, so from you say she not put you out, she not put you out.
Puppy, that girl is too soft, puppy. Me love her, you know, bro, but she not rough, bro. Cause woman all call me phone, she just lay back, so, bro. What kind of style that, bro? You know my thing come down already, bro. So me not like woman with soft, bro. And that's why I have to abuse her, bro.
Well, at the same time, I know every woman I go be that the rough person. They have some woman personality kinda soft like, you see me, like them kinda coward. And you see sometimes they love you till they fool, you know, bro. Or sometimes you have a woman they have a rough personality, but
Yeah,
come on, stop thing and wash some clothes and laundry still. You see me, because I don't know where they have a woman and she have machine and you
I
go
love
laundry.
woman too, you know, bro. Sometimes, you would.
Me how you link, you see me, I go on my
Yeah,
side.
I'll catch you laundry before you lock.
Alright. Feel like I lie the boy there. Tell me, I feel like some woman put him out, you know, but I am running woman shift still. I don't feel like I nothing like that. Evelyn.
Even babe. You still left sad and you still come back sad. What wrong with you, so? And I phone call me know say upset you because our man call me and the person address me as babes. That a regular day. A normal something me tell you say I'm a friend. I just a friend. Me and him not in or nothing. You no need for you to do that and stress out yourself and act up and go on them kind of way there. Them style, some type of style, you no need for you to do that. Can me tell you say me and you not in or nothing.
B, can I say something to you, please?
Yeah, talk.
Me not like answer a woman phone, a woman purse and privacy. A woman middle jaw and privacy. Your phone and your privacy. But if your phone ring and you say if you answer it, me I go answer it. So if me answer your phone, whether me I go box you down or me I go kick you down or me too soft, if me answer your phone and the person say, babes, put yourself in myself, what you want think?
Me wouldn't think would I ask question because I me tell you if you answer the phone.
Okay, me ask question. The question when me ask turn in an argument. I'm not the person feeling an argument, so I walk out the argument. Me never said this before. From last year till now, me I go through this. Me tired, me stress out. As a big man, me cry, so me just go say this. You always say me weak because me no box you down, me no squeeze your throat. And things happen, me no fight you. Me not go say you're wrong or you're right, but me know that type of person there. So me have a relationship I go on, me I beg you, please, if you want somebody to box you down and thump you down and squeeze your throat and rough up you, just like how me there take as much hurt, just let me go, please. Just let me go and find somebody who can box you down and kick you down. Me can get over it, you know, me I go cry and get over it, but at least me I go know where me stand. You left me because you not get what you want out of me, but please don't turn in a relationship and hurt me. I just that me I say.
B, me love you, you know. Me I be honest. But me not like how you soft. You too lay back. if me tell you answer my phone and I want man call me, and you not even would have rough me up or say nothing or try to find out who. Some man not left until they find out who that the boy they just call, you know. And if I want woman call for your phone and me answer your phone, me want to know who. And me go argue with you if you find out who. One man call me phone and me tell if you answer my phone. Me don't know who I call. Me just tell us if you answer my phone, you answer it and I want man. And me tell if you answer my phone. But me just not like how you deal with you're not sure me say yo me aggressive, you know. I'm jealous over you. I mean, I want no man to call your phone or no man to text your phone. You not get aggressive and show me that.
Babes, why you compare me to some man? Me and me, you buck me, being me, you buck me lay back, you buck me soft. Why now you want to change up the game? I mean this. Me tell you already, if me and not me for you, just move on and find somebody who can box it down. Me nah go do that. If me rich, that means say you go rob me, you go thief from me, you go take my money. And if me poor, you nah go take my money. By any idea, what you do, you're wrong. So if you don't want me for me, just please, just move on. Me I get over it. Me can't bother with the argument. Me either hurt me. Me tired, me stress out. Me weak, me need them a tremble. Me not focus. Me just want to go lie down. Please, me I beg you.
You see it? And that's your problem. And that's your problem. Every time nothing for happen, we talk about you want to go sleep or you want to leave the yard. B, the phone a ring. Babes, the phone a ring. Babes. Hello, morning.
Hello, B. Yeah, my boyfriend left. I'm just face to they can't come talk to me, please. Want somebody to talk.
Babes, your phone. What woman dey on your phone?
Hello?
Oh, what this?
What go on? There, man, you good? Alright, me soon forward. Alright.
Hey,
Big up yourself.
I want to go in a John shop.
I want you.
Which woman that dey on your phone?
You know your person say.
Which woman that dey on your phone?
Want you. The person say want somebody to talk to him and his boyfriend left.
Say man, man left, you can't find somebody to talk to. You don't have nobody else you can talk to. What make you him want to talk to?
So hold on, you make a friend.
Yeah, but that don't sound like a friend. That sound like a one woman we're in a things with.
Say if me and him in a business, you want to call me if you can talk to you. You want to call me if you can water and yard now.
A good idea thing call if you do now.
That me can't, but I tell you say I'm not the person for in an argument.
And she a pretty it up. Me yes, no man if you can go. I want somebody to talk. Wait.
The person never say babes, you know.
Yes, and that him say be.
Me don't like bring up back things, but what do you when your person call him say babes, the person say B.
I don't know my person. That the woman that sound like say, yeah, him in a things. He might demand if you come over there now, can you want to talk to you? I don't like answer people phone, you know. I don't like answer man phone. I mean, you sleep and me awake and you not awake. It make me answer your phone. If you don't know, say you have woman. Your head not hurt you now, though. You don't bother want to sleep again, though. Put on your clothes and go on. All the time, one time you do nothing, you want to quarrel and go on and left. My head hurt me now. I don't want you in your go on.
So you tell me say now, like how you think.
My head hurt me now. My head hurt me now.
My woman where you saw my woman call me. So if you box me down and kick me down, cause that you want me if you do. If me allege say some man call you while your man, if you box you down and kick you down. Me not go box you down and kick you down. And me know why you box me down and kick me down.
That's why you have to go on. Because me will box you down and kick you down. My head hurt me in an argument with you. Go on. My head hurt me. So if me never answer your phone, but you know say you have woman a call your phone. Because see amount of message you go down in your phone, you come and go on like me I do things. I saw no go on when time when I do things you don't want to blame other people. You never answer your phone when I say I have one big loggerhead woman on your phone and call you but you want somebody to talk to. Why should not find somebody else to talk to? Go talk to God.
What? Come to you. Him beat you? Him put your hand on you? Hush, hush. Tell me what happened. Just sit down and tell me what happened. What happened?
So, me there sit down and everything.
Take your time, take your time.
Being cold.
Yeah.
Yo, hey girl, you cook. Say, bro, me not answer him. Push up my face. And you me a chat to. So me I say, you all of this for in my head. So me just get up and say, listen to me. I last day I eat this no one today. Me tired of you. And me get upset. Give me things them and tell him to go on. And you know, me just get emotional and start crying.
Yo, me tell you man. It is sometime a lot of people have got through a lot of things in their life. Me and you.
And I go say relationship when not toxic and nice if because him love me make him beat me.
Because he love you. Why him beat you? Sean, I right thing you do here. I like how you stand up for yourself and make him know say you can't buy them a relationship. Yeah. When man a beat you and a put their hand on you and a bad up you and a appreciate you as a woman. You are a good woman, you know. Although me I go through the same thing too. My woman not really understand say me I a good man. If me not kick him down and box him down and beat him, he must say me too soft and me weak. But every man have a difference. You have grade 1, grade 2, grade 3 and grade 4. Me know the class with me know. But me sure say me know in the class box on a woman and kick him down. And you know in the class your man kick you down and step on you. You understand? So although me know you hurt and something, I'm really sorry. But I right thing you do. And you can call me and talk to me anytime. You understand?
Mm-hmm.
So you not call back your phone?
No.
Oh God man. Hush. Hush.
Mm-hmm.
So what you want to do? You want me to out you go walk or go have something or what? Are you alright?
No, man.
You sure?
I'm sure.
You're not gonna work?
Mm-mm.
You're not gonna work?
No.
Alright, me tell you what then, because I have some time. Because I am charge you know. So you are going on now. Your fridge full of goods?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, me will cook for you. You see me? So you're not going to do nothing to them or just lie down, breakfast, lunch and dinner. You can clear your head, you see me?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, come on. No man, me I tell you say, and I bathroom with them I ride the bikes and me done me call her back. Yeah, babe, me so call her back, man. This morning, like this a girl I call me saying want food to eat. They even call me ask me if me good.
Watch out. Puppy that no go on.
I pray, bro.
There no bro. I want you know.
You know, say I want one little cat to do youth as morning light. He just call me ask me about food to do youth.
Girl,
Just turn me up. Me have to tell him a while ago say I bathroom me there ride the bike and me can't talk.
so if your man in love hungry so.
Boy, I don't know, you know. Boy, all your business there in the street, so you worry about my woman them. All your business in the street, so stink at one place.
Which
so your
business?
woman put you out.
You're mad, my woman can't put. Oh, my woman fi put me out.
Listen to me, I said, man, yesterday when me see how the bag say you go a laundry. I hear it this morning from my father shop here, so when this shop here did open early on. Me I hear say your man put you out and you tell lie about a laundry you got. Me I say I want to eat that. That's what me I hear in the street.
Yo, you not fear this miss about
And I
eat
miss
that,
it, bro. Them
Bro,
say
you
you have a
have to
good
diss me,
woman
bro.
and you get up because you beat her too much.
But not because of you say me I eat that. If you can't tell me say me I eat that, bro, you should have cut off that part there, bro.
No, me have to tell you as how me hear, you know.
Why?
Come on, you look into yourself and know say it's a good woman that they'd have and you lose a good woman. So it goes off it you.
Boy, you know say me not go around here. He go so.
So I make you yesterday you see me and you tell me say a
Bro.
laundry you go, bro. I mean you're a good friend, you lie to me.
Nobody just want to tell her, bro, but bro, I'm good woman still, you know, bro, but woman they too soft, bro. Even yesterday, my ex called the day before, bro. And the girl even who that, you know, get irritated and react certain way, bro. Like she mad at me, bro. If me tell her say I go sit down there, so she run gonna sit down, bro. Is she too soft?
And you know say it fall back to what me I say now. It's not all about soft, you know. Sometimes it's all about respect. You see me? Sometimes you have some type of woman out there when you tell them sit down there, so you have some of them. What you want me sit down there for? Or me not sit down there, so?
Someone should deal with me, bro. Me not like it soft girl them.
And every woman I go stay, so bro. Remember, you know, you have 50% of Jamaican man them a bad man, you know, and the other 50% and a bad man, you know. So and every Jamaican man out there go find where I bust gun.
So which one I 50% them, you know?
No, me are the one where just normal and be myself, right? No, rather be a gallus and a bad man. You know, me not deal with them things,
So,
bro.
me no gallus too. Me just don't like it soft girl them, bro. Me like when they're rough, bro. All me phone a ring, bro. And it's a woman a call her a ex, bro. My woman supposed to, when me live with, supposed to get irritated, get mad at me, bro.
Concerned about you know, but as me say, you have some woman have a low pitch and someone have a high pitch, and she just calm. You see me? So if you love her, you have to just work with her way, bro. You know, if you deal with her same sucker, by an idea, me feel like your son left you with all way you deal with her.
Bro,
bad.
me left her, you know, bro.
You left her, so me say she left you.
You mad? No, which girl can't left me? No girl can't left me, bro. Me go over there for me things, bro. For my bag of clothes, bro. I have to give him 2 bucks to, bro, and walk out time,
But another thing in the street say. In the street say, a sheep put you out.
Bro, you know people are going to take things and put it for them way, bro.
And I saw you put things for you way to and tell me lie about laundry I go. When a sheep put you out. Oh, anyways, that's shit that. That
yeah,
done
man,
pass
that
already,
bro. Cause I'm go for me things, then, bro. That's shit that.
So you deal differently.
Well, you know, say me there, do, bro. Well, I go over me and get some things to eat, bro. Cause right now I'm hungry, you know, bro.
Well, right now my black man go up and call. You see this a girl over there that call me. He will not believe me and he will walk come up here. I mean, I want him come see me, so come and tell me say I toilet me there, so
bro,
I go up here and say if he fall in see me
things them, you know, bro. Put fear in your woman them, bro.
No man, fear in her, bro. No worry about my thing, cause no woman can put me up, me govern my thing. But me and your friend say me, look come on.
Alright, look come on. And if your boy puppy done gone, yo, man can chat, you see. No, my man love chat, so. Call back for me, man. Cause all I go on, you know, brother. See, wicked is set a man them ball like a baby over there, woman, you know. Voicemail. Call him one more time. Pick up your phone, no, man. Pick up your phone, I'll be missing, you know. Voicemail again. Yo. Feel like we are still, you know. Me abuse a girl still, you know. She put me out, you know. I just lie you out. I wonder if she still vex you out. She must, probably she do something still. She must see me call him and call me back.
Sean.
Yeah.
What to you?
What not do me?
So what you worry about?
No worry about nothing. It's just that me just frustrated. Cause the little boy not stop call on my phone.
Hold on, him call the phone look while?
Yeah, and me I fear reject all of the call them.
Come here and say, me don't know if I show we there here and we cook and we talk and get carried away, things get carried away and we make love and all of them things. I mean, if I want mistake happen, you kind of regret it.
No, not like that. I'm not nothing. Me enjoy what go on in the bedroom. No regret nothing. But you know, we just a play around now. Even though me single and you have a person, me enjoy it.
Listen, and Sean, listen. Like, me know you just come out of a relationship where you go through a lot, you know, and you stand up as a man, a woman stand up as a man and put on your 2 foot. That is the strongest thing you ever do in your life. Me still go through some things in my relationship. You're right, we are fool around because me know say me have me woman and you just lose somebody, but me take this more and a fool we are fool around. Because everything will happen look while in your bedroom, me really enjoy it. I don't know how long it will last, but me just don't want to feel like me don't want to lose the friendship different from what happened. Me just don't want to lose the friendship because I really care about you. Like, oh, you care about me? I wish me woman didn't care about me like that. When me not fi, your phone ring, me not fi ask you oh that. You go out and come in, me not fi question you. Me not fi box you down and kick you down. I wish me have a life. Like, oh, you humble. And how me stay, me feel like it too we connect. You see me? So, you know, me just, everything just go differently still, you see me? What happen, me enjoy, but me not really, you feel like me want to use you. Just through you go through, you're done, you know, me I go use that for if you get to your body and them things. And nothing like that. I really, really, really care about you. Anything, you can call me anytime, night or day.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So, where you go there now?
Just like go and relax and then me go bed.
Alright, me kind of take a look shower, wash off in the bathroom. That cool?
Yeah, man, sure.
And yet one more thing, your cologne smell nice here.
Yeah, thanks.
Yeah, my cologne smell really nice. I'm going to head over right now. As I say, you can call me anytime.
Alright then.
Alright,
Yeah.
take care here.
Yeah.
Anything, just call me, you know.
Yeah, me I go do that.
And thanks for your moment here. I really
Yeah.
enjoy.
Why, even though I'm in the bedroom, I'm fast. But I don't regret it. I'm better than my ex. You know, long more somebody to treat me so. Every day I get up and want to beat me for no reason. And that's a relationship, go man.
Puppy. Why pray?
There, man, what go on?
Oh, that stranger.
There, my father. Where you catch up some water?
Yeah, you know, so I always me that try set for catch your water though.
You want help or you good?
You good man, so me kind of lock down this, so that's for water run down.
Why, me general, something a while ago, me even know.
What? You ain't man left?
No, man. I heard something on that.
What happened?
Alright.
Police hold on for you?
No, if police in Holland for me want get bail. You see me? Let me tell you what happened. Me don't know if you tell her this like me I go reverse my woman or you go look for me as a cheater or what. Me have a good friend, me I talk with a friend. You see me? Girl. Cause you know we don't keep man friend.
None
But
at all.
anyhow, it's like she call me come over me had asleep. Me don't know why my woman go answer her phone. She answer her phone, me not give her permission, me not give her green card and me never plug in Wi-Fi. She just hotspot my phone and answer it. Anyway, answer it. Me don't know what the person, but to what she has say come like the person say B. But that's how she call me. B. B no mean say you somebody.
Yeah, cause me know all one woman a big woman a Western and name B. Yeah,
right.
Yeah.
So she call me no woman and wake me up now and I say phone. So when me answer her phone now, the person I say, him and him man left and if me can come talk to him, please he want somebody to talk to. I'm a friend, so me tell her, I say, yes. My woman you know, I chuck me and I say, I'm a woman blah blah ray. So me I tell him say no, I'm a friend. Remember say what the person call you babes.
And you never did a
and
babes.
I never go on like oh yeah go on. Anyway, him say me for go on him there and mumble and me left. Go over there now. Me I talk to the girl now. You can't see saying stress out cause I'm a shake. Like in lose weight less than a second. Me not talk minute you know.
Second.
So boom you know me talk to her, kinda get her look comfortable. So she said she not go work. So things in her fridge. So me sorry, me I cook for you. Cook for her, you know, straighten up her bed. You know, do look laundry but no panty thing.
Yeah.
Did you know we are watch movie now? Put on a movie scare. And you know man scare when them see some look horror movie. She get closer and closer.
You want to me a man and me I watch horror movie sometime. I'm afraid to you know.
Why? The closer where she get bro. Me I tell her say.
You pull up back your bed.
Come here, bed pull up. She drop off clothes, take off.
I lie.
She not have no clothes, me not have no clothes. Connection make. Wi-Fi hot, overload, eat it. She like it, me like it.
But with all of that you go on.
I cheat, me cheat, cause it just happen.
No bro, I not cheat, I cheat. I bone you gi.
About me again.
And that no look like say how far you know I come from you know. That look like a fool.
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 So anyway, me wake up, me no see her, cause me get lie down in her bed. So me I realize that maybe she in the kitchen and wash up the little plate when never get to wash up. But me now, me just hold a quick wash off. When me wash off now, I put on my shirt, I come through the door and I'm seeing stress out. So me I wonder say if what happen look while she not like it. And I look a misunderstanding, but she a tell me say, the man, where man him left in X, I call him phone every minute. So him start going on zone mode again.
Which X that day?
Well, I mean, I really know you know, but he tell me say, cause he tell me say, I talk to you. But you know, one of my business that You understand?
True,
Cause right now,
true.
if me passing X right now, me don't know who. You see me?
And if me pass it's somebody where you talk about right now, I
Yeah.
don't know who. You
So
get
anyway,
it?
me talk to him and he must say, come check how what happened, you know, like it's sex and everything.
Yeah, she regret
She
it.
regret it.
Cause
He must
it
say,
too
no, what happened? Although me have my woman and him ex man, he ex mash up. What happened? Me enjoy every moment. He must say, I saw him wishing ex when I treat him like how me I treat him. So me I tell him, say, yo, I just play where I play around.
We come like I did one look a dirty boy in your life at first,
Boy,
man.
me I wonder if he
I
dirty
come
or
like
him
him
clean.
find a good youth like a you are now.
Me I wonder.
But me not tell you what to do still, you know, but boy, me feel
But
like if you
yo,
just walk out from over so
Me
still.
not tell lie, still in a puppy dan.
Walk away from Jamaica and go foreign.
All over me do wrong, you know. Me enjoy every moment, you know, bro.
Then me no see
You
it.
know, long me no feel like me deserve it up on earth.
Feel so happy.
Me feel happy, bro. Me be all in cologne, me put on it smell nice. But listen now, me have to tell if my woman say, if he smell cologne, me have to tell him say, me not help you over your yard and some dirty water splash up.
Yeah, man,
And
that,
yes.
help me feel the hug them.
But yo, no say nothing still here. I just that me I tell you.
Alright, let's
You
go
see
on.
me?
So you know if Jamaica can go foreign?
Why that now go happen for now, you know? Cause right now, me not acting like all over me do look while. Boy, look while me a walk on the road look while. And I saw me a think about mama and I saw me a walk. Yo, tight. Me say it me enjoy every moment. As someone live. Me just sorry say boy just a fool around still. But yo,
I hope one day still, as me say you left Jamaica and go foreign. Me just hope one day.
Yo.
Cause that over Jamaica in a healthy for you. You see me in a healthy. Me feel like foreign I go live good life and me feel you meet a match of foreign.
yeah bro,
So
me
me feel if you left
can't live a
Jamaica.
woman who want me to box him down and kick him down. That not ready, bro.
Not necessary,
You
that
see
not
me?
necessary.
Yo, watch on the man.
No, you never tell me nothing, you know.
Alright, look more.
Alright.
So long me there, so me I call him and me not get him on his phone. But man can call him and get him make him walk out here. And then he come go and like say everything he want blame me for. If me have friend and then call me phone, a man me have. Look how long me sit down here so wait for him. And now he can't come back and left you how long both girl want to talk to him.
Evelyn.
What good about the Evelyn?
You
What
have
good
life.
about the Evelyn?
You have life.
Look how long you gone out of yard and now one woman call you out and you lift up and flare up and gone.
I want woman call me know and you know. I know.
So wait, a football match, you go. How much o'clock you left here and how much o'clock now? You just a come back here, look for the time.
Well, the person call and say, cause you answer your phone. Me never hear
The
you
person
say,
call, but me and you know what the person say.
No, me no know, so me ask you cause you answer the
No,
phone.
me know what the person say and you know what the person say.
Because
So-
him and him man leave, so he want to talk if me can't talk to him. And me go over there, me talk.
If you can't talk to
Cook.
him, she call if you talk to she. She not call if you
My
talk to him.
apology. Yeah, talk to she. So me and her talk, she a cry, me cook some food for her, and we just eat some food.
Okay, your man
and
a
talk.
yard. Your man a the yard, you know.
Me and no
So
man a
she and
yard.
your man just left, so you move in.
Well, me clothes and still over here, so I guess me no moving.
No, you're not moving your clothes them yet, you're moving yourself.
Why you want to make an argument out of nothing?
It is an argument, it's supposed to be an argument. You leave here from much o'clock and a woman place you're moving and gone.
So okay,
You're
like
moving, you know. Cause how much hour now you're gone.
so like
But
how
it's
I'm
like
not
how
a man. Like how I'm not a man, I'm weak. And me can't get ignorant. So okay, me just want you to drape me and beat me for me then. Cause me are not the man and you are the man. Anything
Oi.
me, just drape me and beat me then, please.
I would never do that. You'd have never live long enough to see me do that. This is only what me I go say to you now. It's like how you play football, we can play ball too. We can play a bigger match than where you are play too. Just want you to know that.
You know what me not understand? And you have to just be honest in yourself, just like how me I be honest. Me there here, you cheat for me more than one time. And just because me say me love you, wish me love you, me stick around in the fire and me get the burn. All along when me I get the burn, you're up on the sideline and watch me I get burn. You never take me out. You never do that. And me stick around just because me love you. My friend then say me a idiot, me don't watch it. If people in my community say me a fool, me don't watch it and me stick around. And even when me you talk about the situation, me never argue. You say me too weak, and that's why you do what you have to do. No, Me go talk to a friend and come back and you make argument. Me nah make argument if you do something wrong or if you do something right. So why me do something right and you make an argument? That me a ask.
You think of something right you do because all you do accuse me of things, you know. You don't have no proof neither too, you know. Me have proof. Because you left your gun home on the yard from morning. At least when somebody call me phone, I left my yard go nowhere. We could have called back somebody if you say, yo, don't disturb me when me there in my yard. Because respect go where respect come from. But you know,
gonna call back babes?
No, hold on, don't worry yourself. You left go about your business. When my phone when I answer, did I go anywhere? Did I leave to go anywhere,
the
sir?
The same thing when me I go say it again. I'm not the person to fight and argue in an argument. Me can't take it. So if you go argue, you argue, but I alone I go argue.
Yes, me argue by myself because we come down to one conclusion.
Me just go in the room and you just argue.
Go on in your room and that you always do. Go and go
Thank
sleep.
you.
Sleep all you want. You can't sleep on nobody wake
and
up
if when
here
you
like
argue too,
sleep till March.
Please, if when you argue, you can just turn down the bass so me can hold a lie down. That would I really appreciate.
Go and go do your lie down. Me a quarrel by myself. You don't have to listen or you don't have to hear. I sleep, you go sleep. And when you sleep, you're not supposed to hear anything. Because you contact big people for that. You think me I go back? You see a match where you play a different match me I go play. Watch my ball game. I'll show you something.
You know, the saddest thing when we used to go to school, when I go to high school, we used to play football. And all of the rest of the team them when I play against them play rough, then slide tackle, then play nasty. Sometimes the referee mind you in the game. And when you lose, my coach tell me, say, Omar, you have to play rough sometime in your life. No, I understand what the coach say. All of my life, my woman I play rough. And one time I start play rough. Me and a victim anymore. I share the victim. Then say what goes around, come back around.
Hello. Yo. My youth, I'm not telling you if you call me phone. Other day you call me phone and come talk about babes and make me and my man in a problem over me yard. I'm tell you if you not call me phone, me will call you. Come like you're there for you're not here. And if you walk out of the place and go with a peace of mind too, you know.
Oh, anytime water come back here, if you just sketch you look water them and
Puppy
float it.
Puppy down.
What go on?
You not go on it. Look how long me I call him when I front of your yard and me can't
No
see
man,
you.
I chew me I get some water and something, me here. What go on? Everything good?
No, it's not good. It's not good.
What go on over here?
I want to talk to you about you. I come out to his son because I have to go talk to you for a minute or two.
Yeah man, no problem man.
I know say you for me man a friend. I know that. I know check you 1 and 2 times.
Always. I'm a
right
general.
Right now, bridging.
True.
But as a woman, to a man perspective, I want to talk to you about something. Because I have a problem over my yard with him now. Because all of a sudden, woman can call for him phone and he can get up 11 o'clock in the morning and come back till 2-5 in the evening.
But hold on there. Still, I know some now pick up film. But unless I saw good look a while, I might be around 15 minutes ago, me and him there start talk for a good look a while. And he say, when I'm friend, which is the girl, if I see him girl I talk about, see her boyfriend left for her. So them a good friend. So he just did a talk to her, you know, like cheer up your friend. You know when you have a friend, you just cheer up your friend.
But
so,
how good is that a friend if him left out from 11 o'clock and come back to 5? So in the woman yard whole day.
Well, as I say, I not pick up film, but he ain't over there all day. Because I say, me and him there for one good look while they talk, and he tell me saying that left from over there. So I not pick up film. So the same situation where you tell me, you know, say, woman a calling phone or something. I try to make it clear, say, it's like him and a girl or something.
Puppy Dan, me a no idiot. Me a no man bukugu. Me know say him a cheat. Me know, because me not stupid. If I when me left out of the house and gone, I want man yard for you whole day and I come back till much o'clock. What you feel like you say? You say me a cheat because that he say all the time. Yes, we do me things them and while we do the things them we do the do.
But Chelsea.
But him not have no proof say me a cheat pan him. Me have proof now because he left and gone and woman yard for whole day. I have to sit there in a over there.
No, him have proof with you. Remember say a whole heap of time you cheat pan coloring book, you know. I mean, I love man, you know, but a whole heap of time on my shoulder cry pan, you know. So my time to me all feel to me see all a cry to. I tell you say sometimes it come like all one drop of your water come out of me, you know. I mean, I feel just go so. Cause me a be a strong for him as a brother. So hold him up. I'm not telling a lie. I hold him a time I tell him say left you.
Big
Because
man
me a
don't
tell him
cry.
say yo, in can't turn in a relationship and I get hurt. And he said no, he not left you. Because he believes say you can't change. But Chelsea, you cheat. And me no know if him a cheat, cause me say me no know if I lie him a tell me, but he tell me say he go talk to the girl because the girl man left her and him and her are just friend. So me no know if I lie him a tell me or me no know, but me just a tell you what me know about.
Oh,
Me
so
not
you
pick up for
you
you
pick
and me
up
not
for
pick up.
him.
No. Me just a split justice.
Oh,
Cause me
Justice,
say
then how you know say me cheat?
because in a street everybody know about it.
Them a talk about it, then I have no proof.
Chelsea, coloring book, tell me.
In tell you.
Me and you know say you a cheat. It's stink in a street, it's stink a one place. And you know in a yourself say you a cheat, Chelsea. You know that too, and me know that.
Yeah, because the man when me love over me yard, when me love so much too soft. In too soft, so me, things that me do, me not really mean them. Me do them because he never them man up. I me never feel like he love me and care about me because certain things go on and do nothing or say nothing about it.
Yeah, but by any idea not change self, you can't say true. You do certain things and you not do nothing about it. That mean he don't love you. Coloring book love you because when me I try to tell you, the amount of time when me tell him say yo, if you don't feel comfortable, leave. And he say nah leave because he love you and he willing to make you change. So me nah say what him a do now right. If you claim say him have a woman and him a cheat, me nah say what him a do right, you know. But remember saying that got you way. When me not say when I do right thing as what me saying, but when that where you that deal with him and got through a rough part, he pressure bust pipe.
Oh well, if pressure bust pipe, you know if you find tangent. You can go and go buy tangent and you can go buy what they call it, tape where you use and burn up your pipe and patch up and fix it.
Chelsea, me feel like if you just calm though, right now. Because you see same like how you say him is a soft person and you do things and him holy and calm. If him a really do something for you, me feel like if you just calm because you been did hurt him. So me feel like if you not be so aggressive.
I mean I tell you the truth and I not like you don't know, are your friend, but in soft for you. Yes no man.
Well Chelsea, what goes around, come back around. And me just feel like say you don't want him, man. Because if you did want him, not too soft you deal with him so. If you did want him, you would deal with him good.
You know what I'm telling you, you pick up film. Right now, films are the one that you know. And me and your friend too, but you are my bridging to bridging. Me a woman to man, yes, so we are talk about my relationship. And you blame me. Everything you blame me for me. You pick up film, and films are the one that
no, me not pick up for him and me not pick up for you. Because if him come to me and tell me say him do something to you, me I go make him know say that wrong. Because by an idea, not 3 man soft, you don't have to deal with him. So if you love him for who him is, you deal with him the right and proper way. So not 3 soft, you go man him up or something. Find a man then where you can deal with so then and stop dealing man so kind man love you. Cause but love you. You would day in a relationship so now.
Well, ball game in my place, so ball game is on.
Well, what
don't
goes
let the player
around?
hate the game.
Come back around. I just saw me see Chelsea. Me I
It
just
was
catch
nice
some
talking
water.
to you, puppy, then go on back, go catch your water.
See, sometime in a life, when people wrong, they never try to accept that them wrong. But it's when other people do things, them can accept it and disrespect people if you try to show them say they wrong. But if Colin book really a cheat for you, you know, although me know him do it a while ago, but what goes around, come back around. You deserve it, Chelsea. Okay, never did that you deal with my friend.
What you say you do there now? No, tell me, what you say you do there now? Eh? You learn to spread up bed over woman, you come and spread up bed. When since you start spread up bed? When since you know how to spread up one bed? Because you're the woman you cook all food for girl and you never cook for me yet. Them the girl you not even know him for now, you can't even trust girl. But you're the girl you had all day. And you want puppy down him, go down a female that try with him and come pick up for you. Like you think me a dare me that, you think me a go back. Like me had screw on and you see them me born. No spread up no bed in there, I know why you spread up nothing, for you don't normally spread up bed.
Chelsea, like, what you really want from me? Tell me, just everything what you want, just write it down.
Me not write down nothing, me I tell you. You cheat, I mean no. But you your big friend with him big belly self want cover up for you. Me go over there and try reason with him and him a take side. So me left in yard and come back, because you come back from where you come from, where you spread up push bed. Me and you know so you don't want spread up no bed in here. Can you about your business and have your fun and do what you
You hear what me I say? Me can't me can't bother with the argument. Me can't bother with the argument. The argument can nag me, it kill me, it stress me. It now make your relationship work out.
Like
Me
you want to work out.
can't bother with the argument. So me, you know me, me just go out the road, go all a reason. Me can't bother with it, bro.
You go all a
Me
reason.
can't sleep in peace. Me can't lie down in peace. If me spread up a bed, a problem. If me go out the road, a problem. Anything me do, a problem.
Yes, if you piss and shit, a problem.
A problem.
Because you're not act like a man. You're too jelly back. Man fi act like man. You're too weak and jelly back. Boy, you link puppy done. Galang excuse you make fi go a girl yard. Galang long they go cook for me, so have you clean all floor too.
One thing me can't tell you, no. Me will just tell you one thing. Me no know what I go on for tomorrow or next week or next month or next year. But if we left and when me left, me I pray God for you get a man in your life. More you get a man in your life, you have the phone ringing, kick you down. For if your mother call him back, sit down. For if you want shit and you go to the bathroom, go shit and you and tell him. He thump you down. More you get a man like that.
And them the kind of wish they have.
Can you see me? One humble man who if you just work with and understand, you don't want them the man there. You want a man who if he kick you down on them thing there. But let me tell you something. I'm not that kind of person. My mother and my granny never grow me so. Me can't tell her that. Me humble and me always go humble.
You done talk? The story done? And then they kind of wish they have to make a whoop when you go down a girl yard. In cook sit down there for run your gut for you whole year. All March then time you got to run. And that me wish. Wish as in chop and coconut again you drink your gut run your hospital pick up you.
Puppy. Yo, father, me up on the front page.
Where up on the front?
Yeah, man.
Oh. No, sir, forward and I just walk around so. And say me I come get a link. Why badness?
There, man. I deal with.
There, my father, man. Pay mosquito in my ear so I just left yard, you know?
Oh, you know, easy, you know. And you know, say some of my mosquito then come over here too. Yesterday, I tell you, say mosquito nig in my ears too.
She come over here?
Yeah, man, she come over here yesterday, man, maybe around 20 minutes after you left here or something, or 30 minutes, something like that.
So what she say?
Boy, she come and she tell me, say, you cheat, and how a woman here you go, and you left from for 10 or 11 in the morning, and you come back to 5.
Wow.
So I make you know, say, yo, well, I don't know if that goes say, no, but me did over here a reason. You see me? For a good look a while. And you tell me, say, go link your friend, but I don't know if I lie, you will tell me, but that you tell me, so I have to work with what you say.
You feel say one good woman there? Like 100%?
Boy, if you tell you the truth,
you don't think so?
Me not think so.
You
can't
feel
really
say
find
one
that
good
now.
man there? 100%? Rich or poor?
Me not think so neither.
But if you get a woman in a year life, 75%, where in humble, you have to just work with him and try to fix him like how you want to fix him.
True.
So me don't know my woman just want to turn me now a man to beat woman. And squeeze and throat and keep them down and back.
That me
I
I try
don't
to
need
show
that,
you.
bro.
Say if you go turn all that person you know, which me know you not do that, then the police are come haul and pull you and then them are go say you're a woman beater.
Yo, at 25 date, me and her go up and before me and her corresponding at the bedroom, you know. Me tell him which color me like, him know everything about me, so he know say me and one person who violent and beat woman and squeeze and short.
And she still
and
get
I
attached
know
to you.
in the relationship, you are go cheat, she are go cheat for me, and I tell me say you me too quiet and me too humble.
Like me I say that still no give her the green light for go cheat. That still no give her the green light for go cheat.
You know say she no dance. She very bright, you know. But sometimes people them are not bright, you know, have no sense. You know how much time I tell him say I'm not a star, I'm not a gleaner, I'm an observer, I observe a lot. And you know really understand what I say, you know. You know what the problem you know in the relationship, I know she the problem, you know.
You.
I'm the problem. Me are the man of the match. And me I run the game right now. Me was the victim. I know me are the victim again, you know. She are the victim.
She are the victim.
What goes around?
Come back. You know, say the same thing me tell her and she begs and walk off. Cause she tell me so me I pick up for you. And me I tell her I say no, me just attack it as it is. And me I tell him say even if you are cheat, she deserve it because you hold out and never did a cheat.
Man calling phone and say babes, me humble. Cause you say love a one a foolish thing for her.
Yeah, man, love. You make you need that, man.
He fool. He make you do it now and the people laugh after
make you mad too.
Me see man walk come with him come over here and an umbrella and he sign cousin.
And I tell.
I don't watch that. Me need to tell you. Cause me know you say me a
Force me
idiot.
hear about it for
Alright.
true.
Carol, let him off again. Say me meet him down the road and Carol let him
Taxi?
off down again. And wait, that's what me say.
And then you know, taxi man.
That no look like a taxi car.
Jesus
You never see Crown
Christ.
and Benz and BMW I run taxi.
No, only
Where
told me
Carol
see
Cartel have name? Porsche? Or where name?
Porsche.
Does he never say?
Porsche.
I don't say nothing. How much time he hurt me. So all if the girl where must say me there with, if me need with there with him,
But you do that for true.
well you have a point.
Me know that.
Me and him kind of talk as a friend.
Yeah.
But I feel time I know forget the earth when me always
I
hurt.
tell her.
You
I
understand?
tell her, you flip the switch.
Thank you.
All along you're in the dark. And you just
No.
go and turn on the light and come in the light.
I see him want go link still no cause long time no link. I want to say alright.
What you mean? Go check
go
her
see
again
if
and
he
see if
good.
no misunderstanding can happen again.
Yes, one more misunderstanding. Yo, big up yourself. Yo, me feel like a man.
Of course,
All
I
along
feel
me
like a
live over
man.
here and the
You was
mosquito
a
in my
boy,
ears.
me not telling
The
you, you was a
mosquito in
boy.
this ears and this. Me feel like me a boy. No, me feel like me a man. Somebody understand me like how me understand
Yeah,
them.
man. Yeah, me I tell you, say if you left Jamaica, go a foreign, man.
That.
It so happen.
This is what me a look about
look
it.
about it. I go up on the road, I go see if I can look at one cliff, yeah, man.
So I'll know this a girl and not see me miss call him. Me not left she miss call on her phone. Call her back. Vice mail again. You know, say me, I last time me a call a girl, I last dege time. Call him back one more time. You have reached the voicemail box off. Yo, how would a girl a ramping? You know, say me go over here and go kick off in door youth and box him up.
Boy, you're in love with the girl.
How if you not,
like in watch him.
yo, how that girl and a answer me call? What am I do? Yo, youth.
Yo, Tibby.
Yo, B, me soon link you, man. Me soon come over there, man. Me I tell you, say me soon come over there. What I'm telling you is, bro, hang up.
Yo.
Yo.
Which girl me hear say I go kick off then do and like yeah say something about put you up back and something.
You hear that?
I that me hearing me a father a while ago, bro.
Bro, you know see a video call me upon the woman a chat to her nice. Where you hear that?
Which woman you wanna left you?
Bro, how much time I tell her say I'm me left the girl. And she just called me while ago, you know.
And say what?
Say me if you come back over there.
I lie.
No, I true.
Say my friend, you want you back over there and miss you or something?
Yeah, bro. So you never hear what I go on me I tell him say be me soon come, me soon forward.
Well, me feel like me ears are full, me
Yeah,
or something.
dog,
Me feel like me have
doubles,
to go a doctor.
Yeah, bro.
Check
Like
out it.
here's one clean, bro. Full of wax. Wax and kennel.
So you deal differently though.
Why you know say me there I do want to go check for my woman, my ex. Not really my woman, my ex woman. Cause I did my ex now, I'm woman you know, so my ex woman.
Oh, so you get back your work now.
Long time.
Anything you say me I work with still, you know.
So
I want to look at Gina still, you know. I know you style for a long time, you know.
Yo, bro.
Cause me sure in me a father a while ago, I hear you a say, you want to go kick off door and if you put you up back at me, could I fear that me hear, you know.
No,
Me ears not full.
bro, not like that. I know me not girl nothing. Kick off for store, me a kick off for man door. Fair and two man call police for me. Mad, bro.
Anything you say I last till a day me there weed me I go buy dog and me say, me see you so me say me I come here one year
Hey,
in
puppy, you
still.
did smoke.
Well, you know, sometime you go through a little thing you have to smoke. Like, me know you know you go through depression with the woman, you smoke and drink
No,
a
me
lot.
not go through no depression right now. Me get back in job, bro. Me good.
Well, like you say you get back a job, I only hope you not box her and kick her down. Although me know say, I think a lot of you tell still but you get back a
Bro,
job.
me
But from
cut-
you get it back, you say you get it back.
Cut out the wall of them or something, bro. What do you when he did left? No, what do you when me did left for? Bro, me did go through, you know, bro. Me used to smoke hard, bro, but now me stop smoke. But why you would smoke?
May we talk, man. Just always remember, Tom junk, but Tom not do what? Tom no fool.
Oh, time no fool. So me drunk and you no fool. And that's what you try to tell me, say.
No, what go on, man.
Yo, big up yourself, man. Call him one more time before me left, you know. Call him one more time. No, sir. Me I go over there right now.
B,
What happened?
you're not tired?
No, I'm just a help out you. Come
From
now you got
morning
your stress
till
and
now.
them thing there. So I'm just a help out you.
B, hold on. Tap look at me.
What happened?
You know what I say? May I get for fall in love with you? I know I say I live in with a person, but I just have to tell him I can't hide my feelings anymore.
Sean. You sure?
Yeah, I'm sure.
Right, me I just tell it the honest truth. Them say you can't have a woman and cheat, but it happen. But before me anyway involve this close in a bed have sex and everything, me been in love with you. But me and a person, if you cheat and have a next person, but things happen. But when me really I say, me think, me need to think, me know me I fall in love with you too. Also, and what open my eye, my brain, my body and my soul clearly are what there. Where we just things just happen, we talk and we just have sex, fall in love. You know, me just feel clear so me just want to spend the rest of my life with you.
I understand. But the next thing, all of my problem. But just have a black make sin because him now leave my phone.
You see, sometime in a life when you have a man or a man have a woman and them don't know them true value. And when you stand up on your foot and that happen, when you realize him lose a good man, or the person realize you lose a good man, and that will happen to your ex now. You realize you lose a good woman and you might try to win you back. But me will tell you honest truth, me there win, me there for you. You see me? But if your ex go involved and you go physical back, intimate or social, me not go there. Because me can't bother with the drama. So me there for you.
Yeah, B. Me know about the next thing too.
What?
What go on with the woman? Nah, tell her to leave the woman, you know. But me not share nobody with nobody.
I just say what me say be. Me have a woman and me live with that woman. But me don't have a woman. So basically, when you're ready to get serious, me ready to
But
get
me
serious.
serious now.
Well, me serious. No worry about my woman. And me guarantee you. You get what me I say? Because prison me there.
Alright, may I take your red feet?
Alright, me I go and do what me I do.
Yeah. Soon come, I use the bathroom.
Oh, you go bathroom. Alright.
Sean! Company girl, I want to talk to you. Sean!
How that? I will call Sean.
Sean, me know you're in the company girl now.
Hello?
Brother? I know you that.
Timmy, my brother.
T-Dog, my brother.
Jesus. How are you doing?
What you are doing?
I'm a woman, you had me there.
Woman?
Timmy, a long time I don't see you, my brother. What happened? You alright?
What you say there?
Woman, you had me there.
You sure?
Yes.
Babes, when
must
I
do this.
Babes.
When I Timmy, where you doing me yard?
Sean!
Where you doing me yard? Me not tell you set up come on me yard.
You put me out for me blood, brother?
Yo, coloring book. You're not boy yawa. Come in want Timmy na me
I'm
yard.
a brother.
What you mean by say your brother?
I'm a blood brother. Ask him.
Timmy animal wa.
I'm a blood, brother!
Watch man, you guys have made it to the end of this movie and you have just finished watch the movie that is called Be Careful How You Cheat People. So people, as I said, thank you for watching the movie to the end. You understand, and I really appreciate the support. Thank you for always support True World TV for the people and only for the people. So let me know if you don't like the movie, if you do enjoy, you understand. But more big up a few fans. One big up Carly Roy Thompson from Spanish Town. I want big up Helena and Livingston Simit from Virginia. You understand? I want big up Sean from Hopewell, Fowler from Mobile, Ryan and Sheikah from Spanish Town, and Kemar from Spanish Town. You understand? So just big up on yourself and thank you for always support the team. Big up on yourself. Heart of love, no short of love. You understand? And people just go and stay safe in the cold front because I say a whole heap of things I watch on TikTok and I see the hard rain have fall and flooding and people yard flood out, roadside flood out. You understand? So we just go and stay safe in the cold front of people. Big up on yourself. Continue to support Wrld TV and continue to support Color and Book TV. But for right now, we out.